Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm gonna do a glittery makeup look for guys using Deck of Scarlet palette. And to start off, I'm gonna apply a very good eyeshadow base that I'm gonna use Louise Rumors 05 by the way. So I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid with a concealer brush, as you guys can see here. And this is a fluffy brush that will help me to spread it out easily. So I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid, all over the eyeshadows go, and if you like, you can add a little bit in the lower lash line as well. I really like the material that I'm using here, but you can use what you have at home. So I like to use this material especially for professional, and this is a magnetic palette that I can make myself in the website. So first of all, I'm gonna apply the lightest cream eyeshadow, and this is a matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply just in the tear duct area to set the eyeshadow base, and what is left in the brush I'm gonna apply all over to avoid creasing. And I'm using shader brush, but a little bit bigger to set the whole eyelid. And next I'm gonna use this warm brown eyeshadow and apply by side of this light cream shade. This is basically a skin tone. So next I'm gonna use this warm brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna create the gradient of colors. So I'm gonna layer a little at a time. And to apply, I'm using a small fluffy brush, as you guys can see, to concentrate the color exactly where I want it to be, but at the same time I want to create the gradient of colors, so I need to blend the edges. Next I'm gonna apply this also warm brown eyeshadow by the side of the light brown eyeshadow, and starting to darken the colors a little bit. Here I choose the brown eyeshadows to keep the look neutral and wearable, but if you guys like, you can go for colorful shades or the color combination that you like. And next I'm gonna apply the darkest brown eyeshadow in the outer corners of the eyes. And gradually I'm gonna apply the shade where I want it to be, and next just blending the edges to blend it all together, but at the same time you can see all the colors that I'm applying here. Oh, and as you guys can see, I'm using the same brush to apply all the colors here to make it easy to blend, and also easy to apply the colors without make everything dirty. For example, using many brushes in the same makeup look. Now I'm gonna use a gel liner Wicked by Sigma, and I'm gonna do the eyeliner in this look. And carefully I'm gonna draw the eyeliner shape, and also I'm gonna use a graphic eyeliner, so I'm gonna do it in the top and in the bottom lashes. I'm using a really thin brush to do all the lines in the makeup look. Okay, but this part is optional. You can use a liquid eyeliner, or even if you prefer, you can just leave it without the eyeliner. Or even if you want to make it simple, you can use a cat eye shape. But now I'm gonna just diffuse the edges of the top eyeliner that I created the graphic line, and I thought it was too big, so I decided to diffuse a little bit on top and apply one more brown eyeshadow that I used here, the first brown eyeshadow, just to create a more delicate line. Okay, so I'm gonna work the shade to diffuse the line and create a more soft effect that I really like right now how it's looking. And I love this gel liner from Sigma. The formula is so good, it dries matte, waterproof, and is amazing, guys. It's very pigmented, very black, and I really like it. Also, is the #1 bestseller in the website from such a long time. So now I'm gonna apply this dark brown eyeshadow and just diffuse the lower lash line. For the gel line, you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com, and this is how I finish my makeup look. I really love the end result. What I really like about this look is the glitter layer on top of this gradient of colors, because it makes such a big difference and looks stunning in the end result. This look is perfect for holiday, for prom, for a night out event, and that's it for this look. I really hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. Also comment down below what you think about this makeup look and what you want to see next here in my channel. And I see you later in the next videos. Mwah. Bye.